My lord! Look at all those birds! We're back here with another... Move out of the way, barfing. We're back here for another bird spotting, number 3. And yes, you may get fed up with these, but I'm going to keep doing them whenever I see birds around. Look at them beaks. You can't see them, but look at all those yellow beaks pecking away. See them ones hopping over there? They're playful ones. They're really extraordinary. They're really fast and quick as well. Oh yes, it's very nice. Move out of the way, bar again. I didn't jump this time. Look at that one, running across. Goodbye, birds. We shall meet again sometime.